New in Stella Architect 3.7 is the ability to define which elements get included in a graph or a table when you use a star series in a graph or a table. Here's an example that I'm going to show you that uses a really basic model. Price times sales is equal to revenue. And then we sum up the revenue for some of those cities into the major market revenue. So if we go to the array editor, and we look at the dimensions, you'll see that we've got locations, which is Chicago, Dallas, Denver, New York, and San Francisco. And then we've got two major markets, which is a sub-range of location. Okay? So when we look at revenue, we see that it gives us revenue for each product in each location because we've added star star. And in major market revenue, we see that we get revenue for New York and Chicago, our two major markets. So if we go to Window, Array Selection Panel, and I'm just going to go ahead and dock this right in here. Let's assume that, for instance, we weren't interested in seeing, for instance, pizza on the graph on the left. We remove pizza, and now we just see the revenue for all of the salads. Likewise, if we remove salad, we see for all of the pizza. And if we remove both pizza and salad, we see nothing. Now, you can see here that I've got apply changes to subranges checked. That means if I go into locations and I uncheck New York disappears from both graphs, both from the major markets, the subrange, and from location, the parent range. If I want to remove a single city or a selection of cities, I can remove them all from the locations. And likewise, if I don't want my changes to percolate through, I can uncheck that apply changes to subranges. That way, when I remove New York from location, it is not removed from the major markets. And in this case, if I want to remove New York from the major markets, I just remove it, and it's gone from major markets, but it's still there in revenue.